everyone, I'm Tracy from Trace Out Art and the founder and curator of Swap Up Art. Swap Up Art is an online gallery to buy, sell, and rent original art. Let me repeat, original art. So what is original art and what is art prints, editions, and are they the same thing? The answer is no, they're not the same thing. However, buying art prints is not a bad thing. Sometimes artists themselves produce a series of art prints, and those are originals. So what is the difference between copy and original art? So before we start, I just want to tell you that you should never purchase a painting walking in thinking your painting is gonna worth $18 million one day. It's never a guarantee. So you should never have that kind of mindset. You should always buy paintings that inspires you as a person. Artworks that isn't original may be referred as poster art or art, production art or decor, and you can basically find them literally everywhere on Amazon, Walmart, West Elm, IKEA, and even gift shops at museums. This kind of art can bring you a lot of enjoyment, of course, but it really has very little to no resale value. This is why you should always buy original art that even it doesn't excel the price, but it will maintain the value that you pay for. So what is an original? An original is any kind of series of images that the artist has approved as original artwork, or copies of original artwork that the artist has approved, signed, and numbered to be reproduced in a certain amount of time. And this kind of art is called editions. Editions are still originals, but they demand artists to declare the number of copies they actually made. So you will find edition paintings, sculptures, or art pieces that has the artist signed and numbered in the bottom of the artwork. It's like a fraction form. It could be 1/100, which means this is the first image of the 100 image of the series. And these are original works. And each of the 100 images will the same value. If you didn't find the fraction number or signed on that piece, it's classified as a poster art and a war art, and that means it's copied. Let's head over to West Elm and Swap Up Art's website, and let's see if the same amount of money you paid for a print at West Elm can buy you an original art on Swap Up Art. We're at West Elm's website, and on their website you can see the art that they carry. And obviously these are not original paintings, but look, their prices aren't cheap. $3.99, $1.99, $3.79, $4.49. See, these prices aren't cheap, but are they original? Are they where they're just prints? I mean, it says war art literally right here. And according to what we just discussed, war art is an original painting. It is just a copy of the painting. So obviously you can buy multiple copies of it. See, even it says it's in a maker studio. It's still in-house designers to create and collaborate on original art across all mediums, designed to mix and match. And I wonder if the artist is gonna sign and number this piece. I doubt. And for $399 for a piece, basically you can just print it out of your own printer. And with this price, I don't know if it's worth it. And with the same price, you can buy an original painting on Swap Up Art by a real artist right after batch. $375 from artist Arian. It's a watercolor painting. And obviously there's no quantity selection because there's only one of each. This is the difference between print and original painting. Even if you're not sure to purchase a painting right off the batch, We offer art rentals from $40 for 4 days. So let's say if you are unsure of this piece, so the retail price is at $900, and obviously you can pay $900 right away and keep this painting forever. Or if you're unsure and if you don't know if it sits well with your apartment, with your furniture, then you can absolutely rent it from 4 days up to 90 days. So let's say 4 days is $40. And if you want to rent for 15 days, it will be $92. So we tell you how much you would have to spend for rental right away. So for if you're really unsure of a painting because you're like have second thoughts buying art online, this is a pretty good way to test it out. And let me tell you, pictures do not do these paintings justice. They look so much better in person. Let me know what you think. Are you gonna start buying original art, or are you gonna stick with buying prints? Leave a comment below and let me know, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and visit swapupart.com.